Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add your Gmail account to Yahoo Mail. This makes it super convenient to manage all your emails in one place, so you save time and keep things organized. Let's get started. First, open Yahoo Mail and look for the settings icon. It looks like a gear and is usually up in the top right corner. Go ahead and click it. In the drop-down menu, click on More Settings. This takes you to the main control panel for your Yahoo Mail account. On the left side, click on Mailboxes. This is where you manage all the accounts linked to Yahoo Mail. Here, you'll see an option called Add Mailbox. Click it to start the process. A list of providers will appear. From the list, select Google. This tells Yahoo you're adding a Gmail account. Next, type in the Gmail address you want to add. Once it's correct, click Next and follow the prompts. You'll be asked to enter your password, and you may also need to verify with a code. Just follow the steps on screen to confirm it's you. And that's it. Your Gmail account is now linked to Yahoo Mail. You can check and manage Gmail messages directly from Yahoo without switching tabs or apps. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you run into any issues, feel free to drop a comment. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.